Hey guys, on today's video we're going to be unboxing this, so let's get on with it. Now, you did get it here pretty fast. There's not much around the box. So you can see you get some instructions inside this thing. Looks pretty long, but it's actually way more simple than what it looks right here with all these instructions for it. By the way, we'll be doing a setup video and a review later on, so make sure to check that out. This is an unboxing so you guys can see exactly what's in the box, but that's about it. So right now, this is everything you would get inside this package. So that's it. Everything that you see right here is everything. So you do get some screws, such as these guys right here, which we need. Those are just for the basics, the top and the bottom. And then we get some connection screws that we obviously need for the whole setup. We do get 2 packs since there's 2 of these dudes. There's this, nothing really special about it. It's a little bit harder than the cheapest ones that you guys can get right now online. So it is a little bit better quality than others that you guys can get for $1 or $2. These are maybe $3 or $4. And finally we have these dudes, which they look pretty good actually. They feel heavy-ish, which is perfect. I like that. Now let me show you the back. Back is pretty simple. This is what matters really. We have our live, which it's gonna go right there, neutral, and then your load. Now this itself is a button, so we can actually press on it. As you guys can see, there's that clicking noise. Every time you click on it, it does go back by itself. Same goes with this other one. It's the exact same thing. So if I press on it, it just goes back. Okay, and I'm assuming that's gonna light up. We're gonna see that in the setup once I hook this up. Should be very, very simple hookup. Again, on the back, it's load, neutral, and then live. And of course we have the QR code, so we can just download the app right away. Now what I'm gonna do is just put this on top of here. See how that looks, and it looks pretty good. So far, so good. Then I'm gonna put this one. I can see that it doesn't fit. Now if I look at the back, I can see that this is a little bit too long. It's coming out to this side. So that means this one technically won't be able to fit here. Or it fits extremely tight. See that? That's the problem. Now obviously these parts, like I said, you guys can cut them off. I just don't think we should have to, but luckily it even does say right here, can be removed, and they will be removed so they actually fit. So we will have to do that. Obviously with a tool, can't just do it with our hands. Yep, no, it's not that weak. So it's not weak enough for us to just go ahead and do it with our hands. But with a tool, it'll be pretty easy to remove just by snapping it back and forth. Then we can get it in there. So I'm glad it is designed like that, but it should already be without these things, so we can just fit it on there. However, for now, here's a quick glimpse of how this is gonna look like. Hopefully this video will help you out to see what you're gonna get inside the box and if it's for you or not. Now make sure to check out the setup video so you guys can see how this works, and the review to see how long this actually did work for. And that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. And don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.